Hello. As the final course, let's talk about monitoring stuff. So, what you can do is pretty simple because thanks to our newest dashboard that you can see in front of us, we have made some significant changes to it, and you are able to see and understand what's happening on your machines without going into the logs or the details. So you can check the blogs incidents, you can check the malware catches, port honeypot catches, verification firewall alerts in one place. You can also try to find some detailed information as the charts will show you for the individual modules themselves, and the packets and just defense robot stuff and everything. Of course, in a normal environment, this will not be this empty. This is, remember, it's in a private network, so nobody's able to reach it besides me. But in a real world scenario, this will filled to the brim, and you will be able to see many more incidents than this one. And you should also be able to see if you have any important news coming up, which should be, we will let you know if you have a failed payment. For example, you can see I should set up a payment to protect my machines, but of course I have some trial days left. And also what you can do is just monitor the modules here, because these charts will show you what's happening and what doesn't happen. So if these charts are empty, like mine, that should mean that either that module doesn't really generate any incidents for you, or that something is happening. If you prefer to check for a simple server, you can also see some incidents by the top attacking countries. You can see some grey list trends and some blacklist trends, and some captcha delistings and stuff like this, and everything in between. Or if you prefer to just check the agent itself, then what you can do is, let me just quickly have a star here, and let's copy it for myself and just do yep, and I messed up. I should add .log, and in this way you will see every new entry happening on the machine, and see my machine is getting IP addresses from the Heimdall blacklist and grey list to remove or add it to my local list, and the global ones, of course. So this way you can log this stuff on the machine itself, and this should come in handy if you prefer to see some logs on the machine itself, or just like to have it open and look at it sometimes. But in any other way, you can either check this or the at a glance panel, or you can also click, which is a power tool, the events tab. If you click on the top right and click on the events, it will open this little tab for you, which basically just shows what's happening on the global BitNinja network. So you can see that some IPs get removed from the global blacklist, some IPs get added to the global blacklist, some IP gets removed from the global grey list, some IP gets added to the global grey list. So you can see everything that's happening in the global network. And of course, these are all the IPs that your machine receives to add or remove from its lists. So it's always protected with the latest and greatest set of IP addresses. And so this way you can basically cover every aspect of BitNinja, and you should be certain that your agent is up and running and everything's working. So I hope this helped, and good monitoring ahead.